This is amped up. Take one. Bro, what is that? Look, I know what I'm doing, bro. Don't worry about me. Just start the beat. Bro, you sure you okay? I don't think you should be doing that. It sounds like it kind of hurt. Hey, shut up. Shut up. Your job is to sit over there and make beats, okay? Play the beat. This guy sucks. Dog. Nah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Nah, cause look, bro, if you throw up on my equipment, I'ma rip that diamond out your dome. No, not the diamond. Fake ass diamond. Get out of my studio, bro. Nah, please, I got it this time. I had something in my throat. What? Get out! Get out!